Quick video on another type of spring snare. Now this one, got two sticks rammed into the ground, a notch here and a notch here. This piece of wood wedged in, there's a hole drilled in that. This string goes up, it would be over a branch or whatever, and then to a counterweight, or it could be a spring stick. On the end is a knot there to attach a snare, and on the very end of the stick is a little knot itself. Put the knot through the hole and you wedge this stick in there that holds it place. So you could put this on a trail so the animal had to pass through, knock out the stick and get caught potentially around the neck or the body. Or you could fill in the sides and the back and then put bait on that stick, or the same, fill it round and then bait at the back so it's got to push past the stick. And if it knocks the stick, and then that caught it. So you can see the hole. Snare, knot at the end, a knot there. Snare's getting a bit twisted there.